Every year on June 29th, India celebrates National Statistics Day, a day dedicated to recognizing the vital role that numbers and data play in our everyday lives, often in ways we don't even notice. It's a special occasion that honors the numbers quietly shaping our lives, from the food we eat to the way our cities grow and change. Statistics aren't just for mathematicians or scientists. They're the invisible force behind decisions about health, society, the economy, and even the weather. Whether it's tracking rainfall for farmers, monitoring public health, or planning new roads, statistics guide choices that affect us all. This day is a reminder that data, when used wisely, drives progress and understanding. It helps us see patterns, solve problems, and make informed decisions for a brighter future. The date marks the birth anniversary of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, the father of modern statistics in India. His pioneering work laid the groundwork for how our country collects, analyzes, and uses data. His legacy is the foundation of how India uses data to plan its future, from economic growth to social development, ensuring that progress is both meaningful and measurable. Across the country, events and workshops highlight how statistics empower informed choices and demystify the subject for all. These activities encourage everyone, young and old, to see the value in understanding data. National Statistics Day is about appreciating the power of information and the stories numbers tell about real lives. Every chart, every graph, and every percentage is a window into the experiences of people across India. It's a call to be curious about the data around us and to value the careful work behind every statistic. By asking questions and seeking understanding, we become more informed citizens. By understanding our world through numbers, we can make it a better place for everyone, using knowledge to solve problems and create opportunities. Today, let's celebrate the clarity and progress that statistics bring to India's journey, and remember that every number has a story worth telling. National Statistics Day is inseparable from Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, a visionary whose work forever changed the way India and the world understands data and its power. Born on June 29, 1893, in the vibrant city of Kolkata, Mahalanobis grew up surrounded by a rich culture of learning and curiosity. Trained as a physicist, he travelled to Cambridge, where he not only excelled in his studies but also discovered the emerging field of statistics. He quickly realized that numbers could be more than abstract concepts. They could be tools to solve real-world problems and improve lives. His fascination began with a chance encounter with the journal Biometrica, which opened his eyes to the possibilities of statistical science. This moment sparked a lifelong passion for finding meaning in data and using it to answer important questions. Mahalanobis applied statistical principles to a wide range of fields, from anthropology to meteorology, pioneering innovative ways to see patterns in numbers. His work helped lay the foundation for modern data analysis in India. He firmly believed that statistics could help India tackle its greatest challenges, such as poverty and unemployment. For Mahalanobis, good policies required reliable data, and he dedicated himself to building systems that could provide it. Through tireless effort, he built institutions and developed methods that became the backbone of India's data-driven planning, including the Indian Statistical Institute and the National Sample Survey. Mahalanobis' vision was about empowering a nation with knowledge, not just numbers. He saw data as a way to illuminate the path forward for millions. He showed that statistics is a deeply humanistic discipline, about understanding people, their needs, and building a better society for all. His approach was always rooted in empathy and service. Celebrating this day means honoring his spirit of inquiry, innovation, and service to the nation. It is a reminder of the power of curiosity and dedication. His legacy proves that knowledge, when applied with vision and purpose, can truly transform a nation and inspire generations to come. Professor Mahalanobis' impact on statistics is both profound and enduring, shaping the very foundation of how we understand and use data today. His work has influenced not just statisticians, but also scientists, economists, and policymakers across the globe. Among his most celebrated achievements is the invention of the Mahalanobis distance, a mathematical tool that measures how similar or different groups of data are, taking into account the relationships between variables. This concept is now used everywhere, from scientific research and genetics to fraud detection and machine learning, and even facial recognition technology. In 1931, Mahalanobis founded the Indian Statistical Institute, transforming it into a world-class center for research, innovation, and training in statistics. the ISI quickly became the heart of India's statistical work, nurturing generations of experts, supporting national planning and fostering a culture of scientific inquiry. As a key member of the Planning Commission, Mahalanobis designed the Mahalanobis model for India's second five-year plan, focusing on building a strong industrial base to drive economic growth and self-reliance. His approach demonstrated how rigorous statistical analysis could shape national policy, guide economic direction, and help solve real-world problems. Mahalanobis also revolutionized data collection by championing large-scale sample surveys, making the process of gathering information faster, more reliable, and more accurate than ever before. His creation, the National Sample Survey, became a pioneering model for developing countries worldwide, inspiring similar efforts in nations seeking to understand their people and economies. Through his vision, statistical methods became practical, accessible, and essential tools for progress in fields as diverse as agriculture, health, and education. Even today, Mahalanobis's innovations continue to guide how we use data for decision-making, research, and policy at every level of society. Mahalanobis's legacy stands as a testament to the transformative power of statistical thinking, inspiring future generations to harness data for the greater good. National Statistics Day was established to honor Professor Mahalanobis and highlight the growing importance of data in modern India. In 2007, the Government of India declared June 29th, his birth anniversary, as the official day to celebrate statistics. The goal: to popularize statistics and show how it drives social and economic development. This day is more than a tribute. It's a call to action for government agencies, schools, and citizens to engage with data. Events across the country, lectures, workshops, competitions, make statistics accessible and relevant. Each year, a new theme spotlights how statistics address pressing issues, from sustainable development to quality assurance. This keeps the celebration fresh and forward-looking, connecting Mahalanobis's legacy to today's challenges. National Statistics Day has become a catalyst for dialogue and learning about the power of data. It inspires a culture of evidence-based decision-making at every level. The day stands as a reminder that reliable data is the backbone of good governance. Statistics are the foundation of a modern nation, especially one as vast as India. Without reliable data, planning for jobs, schools, or clean water would be impossible. Agencies like the National Statistical Office collect and analyze data on everything from population to industry. This evidence guides major policy decisions and ensures resources reach those who need them most. From five-year plans to new healthcare schemes, statistics shape effective programs and infrastructure. Data also monitors progress, measuring if policies work and holding leaders accountable. Surveys and studies reveal what's changing and what needs improvement. Statistics shine a light on hidden inequalities, helping target support for marginalized communities. Disaggregated data exposes gaps in education, health, and opportunity. In this way, statistics become a tool for social justice and advocacy. They give voice to the voiceless and help build a more inclusive India. Every data point is a step toward a fairer, stronger nation. Statistics aren't just for government reports, they're part of our daily lives. Every weather forecast relies on statistical models helping us plan our day. In sports, stats reveal player performance and shape winning strategies. Coaches and analysts use data to turn games into a science of probabilities. Your daily commute is optimized by traffic apps using real-time data and statistical analysis. Public transport schedules are designed with passenger demand in mind, reducing wait times. Even your health depends on statistics. Clinical trials use data to prove medicines are safe and effective. Doctors rely on these results to make informed recommendations. Statistics help us make better choices, from what to wear to how we travel and stay healthy. They turn everyday experiences into informed decisions. The hidden language of data quietly improves our lives every single day. In today's world, understanding data is a vital skill for every young person. National Statistics Day sparks curiosity, showing students that statistics can solve real-world problems, from climate change to smarter cities. Learning statistics builds critical thinking, teaching youth to question information and spot misleading claims. Statistical literacy empowers informed, responsible citizens. Careers in data science, analytics, and technology are booming. Statistical skills open doors in every industry. Whether designing games or developing medicines, data skills are a key asset. By promoting statistical education, India invests in a generation ready to innovate and lead. National Statistics Day highlights these opportunities and inspires students to pursue them. A data-savvy youth will shape a brighter future for India. The future belongs to those who understand statistics, especially in the era of AI and big data. We generate more data daily than ever before, but only statistics can turn this noise into knowledge. AI and machine learning are built on statistical foundations. Every smart system learns from data using statistical algorithms. Understanding statistics is essential for building and using these technologies. In governance, real-time data and advanced analysis make public services smarter and more responsive. Governments can predict disease outbreaks, manage traffic, and deliver targeted services using data-driven insights. Globally, statistics enable cooperation on challenges like climate change and sustainable development. A strong statistical system is a national and global asset. Mahalanobis's vision is more relevant than ever in our interconnected world. National Statistics Day is a celebration of the idea that data drives India's progress. It honors Professor Mahalanobis, who taught a nation to use data for shaping its destiny. His legacy lives on in the culture of evidence-based thinking he inspired. Statistics guide every step forward, from economic planning to public health. For citizens, understanding statistics means clearer thinking and stronger democracy. As we enter an age of AI and big data, statistical reasoning is more crucial than ever. Encouraging youth to embrace data science prepares India for tomorrow's challenges. National Statistics Day is about knowledge, progress, and potential. It reminds us that behind every number is a story, and understanding those stories builds a better world. Let's continue harnessing the power of statistics for a brighter, more equitable India.